7 best AI marketing tools for any business. In today's video, I will have for you 7 best AI marketing tools that will drastically reduce the amount of time that you devote for your marketing strategies. That's the tools that I use myself. If you use them correctly, you can even virtually create a business for yourself. And I will show you which AI marketing strategies work best in this. And there is one area of marketing that doesn't live up to the hype. So the first AI marketing tool that I want to recommend is Munch AI. If I had known about Munch AI and similar tools, I could have published a variety of short videos that were ready for virtually any social media without having to put in any additional work. Munch is a video repurposer that takes your lengthy videos like YouTube videos and automatically chops them up into social media friendly chunks. It then even chooses the most likely to go viral segments and generates short form content suitable for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels or TikTok, because it's a real time saver. However, not everyone publishes videos to social media. So for example, if you use videos in your closed emails and make sales, you can use AI to handle that process too. With Be Human, you can allow AI to handle the process of recording yourself once, after which it will automatically generate new videos featuring your voice and your face. And this tool is by far the most futuristic of all of them that I discovered. Sending a personalized video sales emails and pre-call videos, it's a really nice personal touch that you can make. I'm using it myself and I found it having it working very well. Before, I tried to save time and record myself in inconvenient situations, which was not working very well, and I really stopped doing it. However, when I started sending out the prospects a quick off-the-cuff videos before the call, a lot of those no show-ups on the call was reduced, and then I was looking forward to speak to those people and they wanted to find out more as well. So it really cut down on the no-show for me. So while you are still adding your personal touch to every message, and that's just one use case that you can implement Be Human, but you can use the Be Human videos for a variety of purposes. For example, you could make a greeting specifically for individuals who download your lead magnet or mentioning their first name, or you could use them to create a quick reading videos that you will make your cold emails stand out. When I was designing funnels for clients, I would create amazing new pages, but one element would always be missing, making the whole thing look very amateur. If this sounds familiar to you, it used to be difficult to create a logo that was as fun as you would think, and whether you choose to design a higher quality logo from scratch or purchase one from Fiverr, there was always something really missing in those logo designs. So the next AI tool that I want to recommend is Brand Mark, that it takes care of all of that. So all you have to do is enter your company name and slogan and you're set. It might not be perfect the first time, but each time it gives you a better and better start. And instead of paying a designer, let's say $100 per hour for each round of provisions, you can just do it with a Brand Mark yourself at no additional cost. And what I really like about this is that you get unlimited revisions without having to pay. If AI can handle a logo, why not delegate some more creative work to it? If you're trying to figure out how to run Facebook and Instagram ads, for example, you can stop doing all the labor intensively yourself. So forget about manual work and assign the task to someone with more creativity. AI can do everything for you. You just need to tell it what you need and add creativity. It can generate headlines and text for your ads, so you can either write your own headlines or click text AI. Previously, you would have to hire highly skilled freelancers or pay a lot of money to handle this kind of work. And it will come up with some headlines for you. So it will also create the appropriate social media post in an appropriate size. So all you have to do is click publish. What sets it apart from the competition is the unique insights and capabilities. If you haven't already done it, you can connect your actual accounts and activate AI, and it will find out which creatives are scoring the highest, which images sizes are making the largest impact, and which headlines as well. So which creatives are the best performing overall, as you can see everything is laid out on their dashboard, eliminating any need for guessing. Why, if you are a fan and prefer more video ads, as according to 68% of the advertisers, they generate far more clicks and conversions, increasing their profitability. This issue is that video advertisements typically take a lot longer to create and are more difficult to execute. So can you use a clone to save money instead of hiring someone to do everything for you? So Video.io is the best AI tool that I want to recommend you, and it creates any kind of marketing video you could possibly need with just a basic text prompt, and you can enter a more detailed description or the general idea for the video, or a full script if you have one, of course. So Videos will then take that text prompt and combine all the video clips, voiceover and captions to bring the content to life. This is how it looks, and honestly, it couldn't be any simpler. All you have to do is tell it exactly what you want in plain words, and the more specific you can make the prompt by turning it into a true content brief, the more unique the outcome will be. So this is a really amazing prompt tool that will change the way you create your content, video content. If you can't afford sales support, then you should go for customgpt.ai. You will get your own customized ChatGPT-4 powered chatbot that you can use to quickly get the responses based on your content, to answer customer service questions, to talk to your documents, or even let customers ask natural questions. With CustomGPT, you don't need an army of sales support. Get 1 month of using my affiliate link from the description below. Although I love AI, I wouldn't recommend using AI website builders only if you want to have a space holder. Instead, I would go for and use a website builder like this one here. This one actually is the fastest available website builder. Every marketer will tell you that speed matters if it comes to online conversions. Link to this website builder is in the description. Thank you for watching the video, and see you next time.